Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another post-market analysis video brought to you by Learnity. And as usual, we are going to be looking at the dollar index. Now, looking at the dollar index, you can clearly see that our plan for this week was for us to continue this bullish movement upwards. So we had this forecast for this week. Now, if you go down to the 4-hour time frame, let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So you can see what I was actually waiting for was a move to this retracement, that is to this point of interest. That is the daily point of interest, which is, I think, a fair value gap here. So I wanted a move down to this fair value gap before pushing upwards. So let me delete this arrow. You can see here we had this movement upwards. So after retracing to this fair value gap, we had the movement upwards. But what happened was that we did not dip into the fair value gap that much. So we made a high, then we broke below that high again. That is, we made a higher high. We broke that structure and we kind of retraced deeper into the fair value gap. So as you can see now, the price is currently pushing upwards. So we have to wait till next week to see if price is going to continue going up or not. Now, if you go to EURUSD, you're going to see the same thing that happened on the dollar index on the EURUSD, but just the opposite of it, because that was our forecast for this for the week. So we had EURUSD here. We are looking for lower prices as usual. So you can see this was marked out on the daily time frame, this point of interest, which is another block. Now, if you go down to the 4-hour time frame, you're going to see that we actually had price retrace to the other block, but did not go to the halfway line of the other block. Rather, we had a continuation, a little bit of continuation. Then price broke above this high once more, dipping into the fair value gap again. So, like I said, it's likewise for the dollar index. We have to wait till the following week to see what we do with this. So I'm still of the opinion that we are still bearish on the dollar index, because if you look at the daily time frame, we are still in a bearish trend. We have not broken structure yet, so I'm still heavily bearish on this pair, and my target is, as usual, this low right here. So we have to wait for more information next week to see how we have to wait to see how Monday through Tuesday trades, the price action for Monday, Tuesday, to see if we're going to continue going lower, or we might, be actually trying to break structure here and push towards bullish. So guys, that'll be all for this video. Stay tuned for our pre-market analysis video also coming in after this video. That'll be all for this video, guys. I'll see you all in the next video.